We've got the start of the frame put together. Gave myself just a little bit of leeway on the left and the right side. Got about 23.5 inches wide and went just a little bit further between the two boards that support the two cross members here. Between the one at the bottom over here and the one at the top, there is about 25 inches. I'm saying about because this is reclaimed lumber and there are some things that I'm having to deal with, which the wood's warped, and there's not a lot that I can do about that. But I am trying to keep it as square as possible and to try and make sure that we have clearances for things and we have it as high as we want it. Should have 30 inches down here at the bottom, and then the casters will come in, connect to the 4x4s, and the rims will run right on those, about like that. There is some excess hanging off on the side here. That'll be cut off. I'll pull out a circular saw to trim that. And that's what we'll have.